Hi content creators. Today we are making this text animation for Davinci Resolve. The full project folder is in the description. Let's jump in. In the Edit tab, right-click in the Asset folder and create a new Fusion composition. Make the duration 15 seconds. Name it, let's call it Animated Guide. Drag the composition into the timeline. Right-click the composition and select Open in Fusion page or click the Fusion icon here. Take the dust overlay I got from YouTube and drag it into the section. Connect the nodes. There is this blue color, so I will go to the edit page and just trim the beginning so it starts with the black background. Press F2 and name it Dust. Now we have this. Next, let's create the text. Drag in the text plus node. Type in YouTube. Change your font. Make the font bigger. Move it to the left. Press F2 and name the node YouTube. With the node selected, hold Ctrl and press space and add a glow. Change the settings. Now select the first nodes and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste. Name the node Formula and add a transform node. Now select transform node, move to the right. Change the text. Change the color to orange and adjust the glow. Add another text node and name it Idea. Move it near the beginning of the word and adjust size if needed. Let's change the font to the bold. On the right, go to Shading. Go to Option 2, Enable and make the color black. Enable Option 3 too. Now it is still too big, change it. Add a transform node, adjust size and position. Now copy the idea node and paste, connect the node and change the name to Editing. Move it to the right. Do two more nodes named Thumbnail and Story. Change the merge blend mode to 0 to make them disappear for now. Select the last merge and add a DVE node. We will use this for our camera movements. Go to the beginning of the playheader, move the Z-Move settings and the pivot settings so you only see the word YouTube. Now create the keyframes. Move the playheader up a few frames and move the pivot to the right till you see Formula. Move a few frames forward and select keyframes again. Now move a few keyframes to the right and adjust the Z move so we see the entire text again. Let's add motion blur easily by selecting the DVE node, go to Settings and enable motion blur. Now after it's zoomed out, let's zoom in again. Let's add blur to the words. The blur should start as soon as you zoom in. Change the settings. The words should be readable on the blur text. Copy the blur node and paste it to the formula text node. Select the idea merge node and change blend back so you can see idea. Now create the keyframes and make the blend 1.0 when you zoom in. Adjust the keyframes by selecting the node and keyframes and adjust. As soon as you adjust the pivot, change blend mode for the editing node. Move a few keyframes using the right arrow key and select the keyframes for pivot and Z-move. Move the pivot to the next section where the node will appear. Do the same for story. Move a couple of frames forward and change the Z-move settings so it shows everything. Let's add the character. Go to Media and drop it into the Fusion workspace. Name it Person. Hold Ctrl and space and add a transform node. Now move the playheader to the part where the entire text shows and on the right change the transform center Y settings. Add a keyframe and adjust Y settings until you see the character. Let's add another text. Add the text, spend time on them, change to the bold font, adjust the position to about the middle of the character. Select the text node and go to Settings and enable Option 2 with black lines and enable shadows, which is Option 3. Now change the Merge Node Blend settings to the place you want it to appear. Now we have this. Let's make it smoother. Adjust where needed. Select DVE and go to Spline and select the Z move and adjust ease in and ease out. Let's make the person animation smoother as well. Let's also make the text color change as they appear. Select the idea node, move until the idea node is fully visible and select the color keyframe. Move a few frames forward and change the color to yellow. Move to the next word and change the idea color back to white as the new word appears. Do the same with the other text. I hope this tutorial was useful. If you liked this content, please let me know, and we can do a few other tutorials as well, and even make them better. See you next time. Make this cool paper effect in Davinci Resolve.